Hey everyone, welcome back to Hack It to Secure It, the place where we break down tech, cybersecurity, and ethical hacking in a way that actually makes sense. Today we're diving into something every aspiring hacker, pen tester, or cybersecurity enthusiast needs: your very own cybersecurity lab. No more excuses. You can build this lab right at home on a budget. So let's get started. What is a cybersecurity lab? A cybersecurity lab is a safe, isolated environment where you can practice hacking techniques, run simulations, and test tools without breaking the law or compromising anyone's data. It's your personal hacking playground. And the best part? You don't need fancy hardware to get started. Here's what you'll need: a decent computer or laptop with at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. Though 16 gigabytes is ideal, at least 100 gigabytes of free storage, and that's it. You don't need multiple machines. Virtualization will handle the rest. Now, for the fun part, the software. First, install VirtualBox or VMware Workstation Player. Both are free and let you run virtual machines. Next thing is to download Kali Linux and any ISO image of your preferred OS, e.g. Windows ISO file, if you want to explore Windows-based exploits. Create a new virtual machines and attach the ISO file dot. That is it. You've set up your own cybersecurity lab. If you're wondering how to actually install VirtualBox or VMware, set up Kali Linux, or get a Windows 10 virtual machine running, don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out my full tutorial video linked in the description below on how to do these installations and setups. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more security and ethical hacking tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay curious, stay ethical, and stay secure.